some of the things that I gave. For 14 years, I spent a lot of time away from my family, being deployed.
My primary sacrifices that come to mind would really be time, freedom, and then sometimes sanity.
You know, a lot of sleepless nights and early mornings.
I was deployed through all of holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, everything.
Serving my country was always about doing something that was bigger than myself.
Serving my country, to me, means that I could give something back to the community, be an example.
Honor and commitment, you know, I feel like I had a responsibility to give back.
I received a call from Carvana, and they were describing what they wanted to do. And then we bounced some ideas back and forth, and we came up with what we're doing today. We start with an inspection, and that tells us what is the condition of the vehicle. Then we prioritize repairs. Nowadays, taking your vehicle to get repairs done is very stressful, so we kind of took that out of the equation, and we try to make the most impact by making the most necessary repairs for them, and they don't have to worry about anything.
The car has, you know, a few issues that really needs to be taken care of, and you know, during this time with the holidays, it kind of really helps out.
I know some veterans potentially have that financial constraints, and so, you know, vehicles allows us to go to our appointments, continue our treatment, things like that, and being able to have our vehicle service is amazing.
I am glad and thankful that Carvana is giving back and looking for those and my brothers and sisters.
To all of our men, women, and four-legged soldiers, thank you for your service. Welcome home.